Okay, we're gonna practice G, C, and E minor again, but this time we're gonna really focus on moving these two fingers together at the same time. And so what that's gonna do is gonna take less concentration on our pick hand back here, and that's gonna be something we focus on a little bit more probably next week. Right now I just want you to do G and C back and forth with me on the metronome. It's at 50, so on each downbeat we're switching at the same time, and you can expect one to land sooner than the other, but just don't focus on that right now. Just focus on the movement together, and you can go ahead and try to memorize your verse and be able to quote it. You can even read it, have it out in front of you. That's a pretty good idea. Now we've been doing G and C. Let's go ahead and do C and E minor starting right now. Something I want you to do is to get a metronome, put it on about 50 or 55, and put it under your pillow at night. You don't have to let it play all night. If you wake up later, and you can turn it off, but what you're doing is building your internal clock. Something else you can add to your weekly or your daily routine of practicing is putting on that metronome for an extra half a minute or so and playing just 30 seconds of the metronome and tapping your foot to it. Then what you can start doing while you're tapping your foot to it is just doing your pick hand without playing anything on the guitar, like this right here. That way you're not drowning out the sound and you're getting used to the movement. Do it plenty far out so you don't accidentally play. I know this seems kind of weird. We're usually doing as much as we can to play and get used to speaking with our instruments. This is just brushing up on our technique and making sure we're good with timing. Alright, G and C. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start doing G, C, E minor, C, and G. We're going to do it each one 8 times. And you'll start kind of picking up on the pattern. 1, 2, and 3, 4, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. Back to C. Back to C. Making sure that you're moving both of those fingers at the same time, and that you're pressing down hard and getting a good clean sound, and staying on the metronome like I wasn't just doing. Back on the C. It's easy to get ahead of it, especially as you begin to talk and say your verses. This time when we make it back up to C, back up to G, that'll be the final round. Just make sure you do this as slow as you need to do it to where it's clean. And remember, carve out some time just to have fun on your instrument. Just playing the chords you know. Have a good week.